colored counters. 1/3 of the counters are red, 0.4 of the counters are blue, and the rest are yellow. First, A, what fraction of the counters are yellow? B, if there are 60 counters altogether, work out how many of each color are in the bag. Okay, so we have red, we have blue, and we have yellow. We do not know the fraction of yellow. Blue is 0.4 and then red is 1/3. So what we are going to do is to convert 0.4 to fraction. So that is 4/10, which is exactly 2/5 in its lowest terms. So we have in terms of fractions. So the total number of fractions there will be represented by one whole. Therefore, the fraction of counters that are yellow will be gotten by one whole minus the sum of the fraction of red and blue. So red is 1/3, and then let's add it to blue, which is 2/5. So we're going to close this. We're going to close this up. Never mind. So let's do the butterfly method. 5 times 1 will give us 5. 3 times 2 will give us 6. So this is over 15, and this is over 15. So 1 minus this. So this is the same thing as 1 minus 11/15. 1 is the same thing as 15/15. So 15/15 minus 11/15, that will give us 4/15. So the fraction of counters that are yellow will be 4/15. All right, so we have solved the first part. So let's move to the second part of the question. The second part says if there are 60 counters altogether, work out how many of each color are in the bag. So for red, let this be A, and then let this be B. So for red, we have 1/3 multiplied by 60. That will give us 20 red counters. Okay. Then for blue, we would have 2/5 multiplied by 60, which would give us this is 24. This will give us 24 blue counters. And then for yellow, that would be 4/15 multiplied by 60/1, and that will be 16 yellow counters, because 60 divided by 15 will give us that will be 4. Yes, so 4 times 4 is 16. Now if you want to be sure that we are correct, let's add up all that we have. So 20 plus 24 plus 16. 6 and 4 is 10, carry 1, plus 2 is 3, plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So we are perfectly in order. If you found value in this video, please do not hesitate, share with your friends and math lovers. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.